Hey guys, how you doing? Mike here. Well, I'm in my little office here at work, and I'm just gonna do this little video here. It's gonna be about. Sorry, let me hold the camera better here. This little video is gonna be on an older video I have of a few air conditioners, and I know there's a few people subscribed to my channel who love window air conditioners, and I promise I'm still gonna make videos of window air conditioners. So these videos are from my old job, and there are a few videos, different videos of window air conditioners I'm going to mix in. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And you know, I wanted to get them out there, and yeah, I'm going to. I'm still going to make videos of window air conditioners. I'm sorry if I haven't made a lot of videos lately. I'm just trying to get used to my new shift and everything. So once I fall better into that and get used to everything, everything will work out. But yeah, without further ado, here are some videos of some window air conditioners, one of them being a 6,000 BTU Panasonic or 7,000 BTU Panasonic, something like that. And I'm going to throw in that unknown window air conditioner, even though we know what it is now. I accidentally deleted the video, so I'm just going to add it back in this. So yeah, without further ado, here you go. Enjoy. Alright guys, well I guess this might be the last video. So I'm just back here and I'm going to show you guys the ACs we have in the storage room. Well, here's the exhaust fan, as you guys know. So first, here's the Whirlpool. My boss said I still can't have it because they need to save it for the building in case someone's AC goes out. So I really don't know about that. There's a Fredericks X-Star down here. It's a little dark. Let me see if I can climb over here. Right down there is, what is that? I think that's a Whirlpool or? I'm not sure. It might be a Sharp. Oh shit. Hold on. It's caught on that. And then I don't see it here. Usually there's another one. I think there's another one way back there, which is another little X-Star, because I know there's another one all the way back underneath these ducts. Yeah, I can see it. Yep, there's an X-Star back there. It's a... No, that's a... I don't know what that is. But there's another one back there. So there's some of the AC units in the storage bin. I just don't have time to move all this crap. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Mike out. Hey guys, here's a Sharp air conditioner I just took out for a tenant and they're storing it for the winter. I thought I'd bring it down to the shop and run it for you. It's 8,000 BTU. Looks like it's an R22, CFC 22, yep. R22. Here's the controls. Book is a little dirty. It's the back side of it. Let's give it a little run, shall we? This fan. And let's do low cool so we can hear the compressor come on. Might be too cold. Alright, well I don't have that much time, so I can't get it to come on. Oh, and this is another unit we took out. That's just that newer 8000 BTU GE that I did a video of. This is too bad. I want this thing to kick on. Nice little unit. Alright, well there's the Sharp. Well, here's a custom PTAC unit here. Made by Stanley Ruth, which is a company here in New York City. It's got heat and cool. I don't know. You can't see under there, but little custom PTAC, nice little unit. Maybe I'll get a video of it running someday. For Vanberg, I'm in an apartment. Check out this vintage air conditioner. I've never heard of that brand before. It's like 8,000 BTU, 9,000. Just don't want to show the apartment. It's not mine, so. But here's the outside of that unit. It's an oldie. Alright, guys.